Managing formulas and recipes is complicated, from using the right units of measure to setting proper packaging requirements to accounting setup. There are many ways errors can happen. This is why we created blendAPPS. It's purpose-built for formula and recipe management, so you can improve your product quality and consistency. Here's how. The intuitive interface makes it easy to jump right in, and it's fully configurable to suit your needs. The Setup Assistant walks you through creating and maintaining your recipes. Add component yield, toggle between different units of measure, and add cost elements like labor. Pre-programmed product categories from your finance team simplify accounting setup. Select a shipping group to capture the hazmat info configured by your compliance team. See estimated product costs update in real time. Secure sensitive data with user and role permissions that restrict who can edit your recipes. We've got you covered for packaging too. Quickly identify which finished goods should be made from your formula, like bottles, pails, or drums. The whole family of products remains linked, so they can be modified together at any time. We even support white labeling, so you can manage branded and generic products at the same time. Best of all, blendAPPS is built on top of NetSuite, so it's backed by the quality, security, and cloud access of the world's #1 business management software. It's a new era in formula management. Book a demo to learn more about how blendAPPS can improve your processes.